Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this prepared hero. It's like a fire blanket in case you have a fire in your home. Heroes aren't born, they're prepared. It's true. See, this is a set, do not separate. I ordered this a while ago, finally getting around to unboxing it. Forgot what these two are. I think this is the blanket that I'm opening now. I think the other one is a hook to hang it in your kitchen. But it complements your fire extinguisher, I believe. Saw a commercial on it. It seemed pretty cool. Safety. Let's check it out. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Drop a link in the video description where you can get this from. Let's see. This was just. All right, toss this aside. Cool. All right. Thank you for supporting Prepared Hero. Okay, founders, thank you. Cool. All right, Prepared Hero. Fire blanket, pull tapes to release. I see. So it's two, I don't want to open this now. It's two fire blankets, and you pretty much put the blanket over the fire, and it should diffuse the fire. But I watched some videos on it, it looked really cool. But I don't, well, okay, let me take it, oh, fire blanket, okay. Prepared Hero fire blanket. Pull the blanket out with both hands. Extinguish the fire. Cover burning material completely. Leave it covered until it gets cold. Cool. Wrap the blanket around person. Whoa! Wrap the blanket around person with burning clothes. Provide first aid. Call for help as needed. It's really cool. Constructed with woven fiberglass. Yeah. So it's two of these. And these are the tabs that you pull the blanket out with. Pull tabs to release. And then this guy, I think is the hanger. This is a set. Do not separate. I think this was like a hanger where to hang blanket. So let's see, another thank you card. You're welcome. Yeah, again, drop a link in. I will drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. And let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. This is the hanger. It's cool. Oh, it's like a hook. I remember getting this. So it's like a hook where you hang this up. Bam! Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're doing well and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.